Phoebe from Xiamen Sunfold Industry. Today I will introduce some free asked questions of the mini fridge. Are you a factor or trading company when we choose you? We have our own factories and broader supplier chains. We have 20,000 squares of factory areas, 450 workers, more than 8 production lines, 20 auto injections. We can offer you the last products with the most competitive price. Our factories have BSCI and ISO 9001 quality systems. All items will be inspected before shipping out to our 10 years experience QC department. Hope we can do a win-win cooperation. What is certifications you have? We have CB, EMC, LVD, RoHS, REACH certifications. For Europe, we can do EPR if in need. Do you support sample service? Yes, we support sample service, but it should note that for new customers, we cannot support free sample, but we will refund sample fees after you place a bulk order. What is the after-seller policy? We offer 1 year's warranty and some spare parts for you. If any manufacturer multifunctional problems, we will offer you extra items by your next order. What about the lead time? The lead time is 3 to 7 days for sample, 5 to 30 days for mass production, and the specific time is adjusted to your quantity and the model.